The part of the garden which is closest to the house is dominated by the bedroom exterior wall, but the walls were very thin and not at all insulated. Since we want a warm and cozy bedroom in the winter and a stable, cool and dry climate that won't cost us an arm and a leg in the summers when the AC runs, we needed to improve it. It contained a lot of old hooks, nails and rusty wires that had damaged it a lot. Rain had seeped into the porous stone and weakened it, and with every rainfall, walls and ceilings were wet. Our solution is to construct an extra layer of exterior wall.
At the base of the wall, I constructed a 150mm wide concrete footing to give the walls a solid foundation that also would help lead rain away from the house. For the walls, I originally wanted to use a product from Excella called Multipool. It is a lightweight, solid wall insulation board made from sand, lime and cement, which is suitable for all types of historic and modern masonry, including damp masonry. Since it's vapor permeable and hygroscopic, the product ensures that the breathability of the walls is maintained. But it turned out that the product isn't used much in this region, so the cost of transport would be crazy. So I chose to go with 2 layers of EPS plastic. To fix these EPS boards, I used an adhesive mortar. It was a good choice and gave a stable foundation for the following layers. Then I used the same adhesive mortar and a glass fiber net as the final layer before the colored facade plaster. We decided to go with the color tone in the facade plaster instead of the traditional white to give some warmth to the garden atmosphere. So we got delivery today. I'm gonna show you because it was quite a big one. So I ordered a ladder because I'm gonna need that when I work on the facade. And then I got this glass fiber roll that we're gonna put up on the wall. And also this corner. In this is the coating. It's ready mixed with the paint, so you just put it on and then it's done. I have never done that before, so it's going to be very exciting. And in this box we have all of these. So what am I going to do? If you look down in the end of the garden, there is a lot of insulation. So I'm gonna put 2 layers of insulation on, 100mm and 150. So this is 50. We'll see when we get there. So here we have a lot of glue for those, and then some other stuff that I ordered, some concrete that I'm gonna use, because I'm not just gonna do the facade on that small piece that is our bedroom. I'm gonna do the ceiling too. So today we're starting a new project. It's gonna be done in 3 stages. First we're gonna clean the wall. We're finally going to start with putting in insulation on the walls. I've been carrying up some insulation and some glue bags for it. And earlier this morning, when I waited for everything all the batteries to be charged, I put some piping up to the roof, because I need to have some water coming from the filters and stuff like that. That water needs to go somewhere. So I'm gonna start a time lapse and see you there.